Today I want to walk you through the use of ANSYS Discovery Live in the early design stages of a plastic enclosure. I'm a design engineer and I've been asked to build a suitable plastic housing to protect the circuit board and reduce deformation of the entire housing by 90%. It's convenient to have easy-to-use editing tools inside Discovery Live to first build my housing. My reference geometry includes some key locations for mounting holes and a circuit board. Now that my geometry is taking shape, it's easy to set up a structural simulation in Discovery Live. After a couple clicks of assigning my material properties, fixed supports, and loads, the simulation instantly starts running. It's going to be important to keep track of which 3D edits make the most impact on my design, so I'll monitor the deformation while I'm modeling by turning on a graph that keeps track of what's happening. My goal is to surround the circuit board with a rib for protection and add ribs where necessary to reduce overall deformation to the plastic housing. One design scenario that I initially want to explore is adding two ribs perpendicular to each other. But as you can see on the graph, my deformation is still too high. Coming up with different rib configurations is somewhat a trial and error process, but Discovery Live makes this process fast and painless by letting you quickly explore a solution space. Another design scenario that I thought about was designing ribs that crisscross each other in the direction of the twist to counter the forces. It's easy for me to quickly create these ribs and incorporate them into the simulation without having to start over. Immediately, the simulation updates after recognizing the new rib design. The second design is performing well and deformation is down to about 1 millimeter, which meets my requirements. At this point, I may want to do a modal simulation to ensure good performance under different frequencies. The beauty of Discovery Live is that I don't have to start over. I can simply start a new solution and keep going. Now compare what you've just seen to a traditional simulation. Typically, if you want to analyze the structural performance of this plastic housing, you'd have to give it to an analyst to get feedback on the model. Then you'd edit the design, send it back to the analyst, and this scenario could happen several times on early concept designs. Discovery Live makes this process more efficient because you can run through several design scenarios on your own before sending it to an analyst for more comprehensive simulation. What normally takes hours to days, if not longer, and with a lot more setup, can now take minutes in Discovery Live. If you'd like to learn more or start a free trial, please visit our website at ansys.com/discovery. Thank you for watching.